Alright, what's going on guys, it's DiamondHook. Today I'm going to show you how to make like a download link for images, videos and like Photoshop files, etc. or any other files, like to make a download link for your channel or some other private things. So I'm going to teach you how to make that link. So first you need your Google Drive. So type Google Drive. You can say googledrive.com, but press here Google Drive Cloud Storage, or you can type google.com/drive. I'm going to press here and press go to drive. So now your all drive will be here, or like here's where I make a download link for Photoshop for you guys. So this is a place. So now I'm going to show you how to make the link. Okay guys, I have here an auto generated link here. This will be in the link in the description. So what you have to do is like first copy this, or control C or copy, or do like a right click and copy, or you can do control C, and or you can to paste it you can do paste like this, or just do like this, press control V, and this was control V. So once you've done that, take the thing you want. Okay, this is like copying because this might be important. Put the thing you want, like I want to share with you guys this channel banner. So you just right click it and you see share, press share and just advance. Here you can see advance, and once you've done that you should it's now private, only you can access. So change this and make it public on the web. And once you've done that, you see this link. So copy this as I'm done, and take this notepad and you can copy paste here, and you see here this from this, you see this this part, like the small area, copy that and you need to paste it here, only from here till here. This weird some numbers and letters. Now once you copied that, and you should paste here. Once you've done that, you have to copy this and take a new tab and just try pasting it. Now it must work. Now you might see here like the download is going to work. Yeah, you can see here the previous it came. If you open it, it works. Okay, but I want to open it now. So I'll show you another one, and it's image you want. So you can just right click the thing you want and just press share, press advance and public on web, save, copy this, and you need this to copy. Delete this. Okay, then copy this link over here. Sorry guys. Okay, you have to copy this over here, and you may have to copy here, and from here click copy. Don't take this part, only you have to take from the only the numbers and the letters, and press it. Sorry guys. And then you have to just control B, then you can copy this. Same way you can just paste it here and enter or search. So now here it must be downloading. So it's downloaded. So this is very simple. You can If you want to put like in a YouTube channel, you can definitely put this. I'm gonna put this auto generated link in this description so you guys can use it. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. So yeah guys, peace out.